Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Create a serene outdoor lounge area, showcasing a spacious, curved sectional sofa adorned with a mix of vibrant cushions in shades of purple and orange. The setting is enveloped by lush greenery and colorful blooming flowers, including clusters of purple and orange blooms, creating a lively yet tranquil atmosphere. The flooring consists of large, textured stone tiles that complement the natural elements. A charming stone cottage nestled in a lush, vibrant garden, showcasing an idyllic countryside setting. The scene features a beautifully textured facade with weathered stone walls and a red-tiled roof, framed by flourishing greenery and an array of colorful flowers. A cobblestone pathway leads to the entrance, adorned with terracotta pots bursting with blooming plants, including bright tulips and cheerful daisies. Sunlight filters through the trees, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere under a partly cloudy sky with soft, fluffy clouds. Tranquil garden with a rustic wooden cottage surrounded by vibrant roses in shades of pink and red, lush greenery enveloping the scene, a path of uneven stone slabs leading to the door, soft morning light illuminating the dew on the grass, a simple wooden bench positioned for relaxation, impressionistic style emphasizing rich colors and soft textures, details of blossoms intertwined with greenery creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere, serene and picturesque setting evoking a sense of peace and comfort. A serene outdoor kitchen scene set in a lush garden, featuring a majestic stone fireplace with a vibrant fire burning brightly. The setting is bathed in warm, golden sunlight filtering through the canopy of green leaves overhead, casting soft shadows on the brick patio. A wooden dining table surrounded by rustic chairs is adorned with colorful potted flowers, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. To the left, a built-in outdoor grill gleams in the light, ready for culinary delights. The garden is bursting with vivid colors from blooming flowers, including reds, pinks, and purples, interspersed with deep green foliage. A charming Italian villa surrounded by a vibrant garden in full bloom. The villa features rustic stone walls, a tiled roof, and wooden shutters. A cobblestone pathway leads to the entrance, framed by colorful flower beds showcasing tulips, daisies, and bougainvillea in shades of pink, yellow, and purple. Lush greenery surrounds the scene, creating a serene atmosphere under a partly cloudy sky. The aesthetic leans towards hyperrealistic, with sharp details and vivid colors capturing the essence of a peaceful countryside retreat. A vibrant, inviting entrance scene featuring a rustic wooden door with intricate carvings, set against a vivid cobalt blue wall. Lush tropical plants and bright magenta bougainvillea flowers frame the doorway, creating a lush, tropical aesthetic. 2 terracotta pots filled with colorful blooms are placed on either side of the door, enhancing the warmth of the setting. A charming cottage nestled in a lush garden, featuring a vibrant blue exterior adorned with climbing plants and colorful flowers in full bloom. The front porch showcases an inviting orange sofa with patterned cushions, positioned in front of a rustic wooden door framed by decorative flower pots. A woven rug lies on the freshly mowed grass, surrounded by a mosaic of multicolored blossoms, yellows, purples, and reds. The scene is illuminated by soft, warm sunlight, creating an idyllic, tranquil atmosphere. A serene porch scene captured in hyperrealistic style, featuring 2 black rocking chairs with vibrant, floral patterned cushions placed on a richly textured wooden deck. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery, sunlight filtering through trees, casting gentle shadows. Colorful flower pots with blooming red, orange, and purple flowers add bursts of color around the chairs. A vivid, intricately patterned area rug lies beneath, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. The background showcases a blurred garden filled with blooming plants, evoking a tranquil and inviting mood. A tranquil garden path leads to a serene wooden bench, framed by a breathtaking archway of vibrant purple flowers. Lush greenery surrounds the scene, with an array of multicolored blossoms, including yellows, pinks, and blues, creating a whimsical and inviting atmosphere. Early morning sunlight filters through the foliage, casting a soft, golden glow over the cobblestone pathway. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, enhancing the tranquil ambience. A charming blue cottage surrounded by a vibrant garden bursting with colorful flowers in a lush, idyllic setting. The house features a gabled roof and a welcoming porch adorned with blooming flower pots. Outdoor furniture, including a sectional sofa and coffee table, is arranged under a pergola, creating a cozy seating area. The background showcases a carefully landscaped garden with varied textures, including stone walls and terraced planting beds. A serene urban garden scene that combines modern architecture with lush greenery, featuring a minimalist patio with large glass doors revealing the interior of a contemporary home. The setting includes textured red brick walls juxtaposed with dark, sleek stone pathways and raised planters filled with vibrant green plants, including ferns and succulents. The soft grass is bordered by small pebbles and colorful flowers, predominantly red, adding pops of color. An elegant wooden deck sits in the background, adorned with plush orange cushions. modern outdoor patio scene featuring a sleek, contemporary design with a black and gray color palette. The setting includes a wooden deck illuminated by soft, warm lighting, surrounded by lush greenery and decorative plants. A spacious dining table made of dark wood is positioned under a pergola adorned with vines. Glass walls provide a view into an open-concept living space, enhancing the seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. The aesthetics lean towards hyperrealistic, capturing details like raindrops on leaves, reflections in the glass, and the texture of the stone flooring. A modern outdoor garden scene featuring a sleek, contemporary architectural design that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces. The setting is filled with lush greenery and diverse plants, including tropical varieties and carefully arranged flower beds. Pathways made of concrete slabs lead through the garden, surrounded by decorative pebbles and vibrant plants. Soft, ambient lighting illuminates the area, enhancing the peaceful atmosphere, especially around the seating areas, which include stylish loungers and a fire pit. The color palette is rich and inviting, with deep greens from the foliage, warm browns from wooden elements, and soft grays from the stonework. A modern, hyperrealistic architectural scene depicting a sleek, single-story house with large glass walls that blend seamlessly into a lush, green garden. The exterior features dark, textured concrete and warm wooden accents on the roof and deck. Inside, soft, ambient lighting illuminates a stylish living area furnished with minimalist decor, including a contemporary sofa and a round dining table. Surrounding the house, the garden is vibrant and meticulously landscaped, showcasing a variety of plants, including tall grasses, decorative stones, and neatly arranged flower beds. A pathway leads through the garden, bordered by smooth stones and greenery. Lush garden with vibrant green artificial grass, surrounded by a rich tapestry of colorful flowers, including pink blossoms and decorative pebbles lining the edges. A cozy, modern outdoor living space features plush gray sofas and a dark wood table visible through large glass windows. The setting is imbued with natural light filtering through tall trees, casting gentle shadows. Lush ferns and tropical plants intermingle with the garden's design, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. A charming, elevated wooden cottage nestled in a lush garden, surrounded by vibrant greenery. The cottage features large windows and a wooden deck adorned with colorful flower pots, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The scene is set in a tranquil, nature-rich environment, with a pathway made of natural stone winding through the garden. Rich colors dominate the scene, with warm browns of the wood, deep greens of the foliage, and pops of oranges, yellows, and purples from blooming flowers. A serene backyard garden at golden hour, featuring lush green grass complemented by various tropical plants like ferns and palms. The scene embodies a hyperrealistic aesthetic, capturing intricate details of the flora. Warm sunlight filters through the trees, casting soft shadows and creating a tranquil ambience. Stone pathways wind through the garden, lined with smooth pebbles and natural stones. In the background, a modern wooden fence encloses the space, while subtle outdoor lighting highlights the beauty of the plants. modern backyard setting at dusk, featuring a sleek, contemporary glass-walled house with warm interior lighting. The scene is framed by towering green trees, casting gentle shadows on a beautifully designed stone patio. The patio is adorned with hexagonal stone tiles, leading to softly illuminated steps with warm orange hues. A circular fire pit made of rustic stone, filled with flickering flames, serves as a cozy focal point. Lush greenery and vibrant flowers surround the area, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. A serene outdoor dining area, captured in a hyper-realistic style, featuring a wooden pergola draped with vibrant green vines. Beneath the pergola, a rustic wooden dining table is set for a meal, surrounded by stylish, comfortable chairs. The scene is lush with various green plants and textured foliage, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Light filters through the leaves, creating dappled sunlight on the patio floor made of large stone slabs arranged in a neat pattern. The background reveals a contemporary kitchen space with sleek cabinetry, adorned with subtle decor elements, while a warm wooden wall adds a touch of warmth. A cozy, sunlit courtyard scene, showcasing a tranquil, inviting atmosphere. The setting features an old-world charm with rustic brick walls and a clay tile roof. Lush greenery surrounds the space, with potted plants overflowing with vibrant flowers in oranges, reds, and greens, creating a lively yet serene environment. A spacious hammock is gently swaying between two trees, inviting relaxation, while a stylish rattan chair sits nearby, accompanied by a small side table. Cozy backyard patio scene featuring a wooden